Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to apply to the Temu affiliate program in order to earn commissions for each sale someone does from your affiliate link. So go to temu.com here and make sure you are signed in here or create an account. Now to access the affiliate program, scroll down to the very bottom here. And then here go to, in the company, under the company info, go to affiliate and influencer. So if you are an influencer or a content creator and you create videos, you can apply to the affiliate program and have your affiliate link. You can add it in your video like caption or description. And once someone makes a sale or buys the product from your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. So click on it. And here you will learn more about the program right here. And here you'll learn more about the program, and you'll even get a €3 gift right here once you start as a new member. And here you get 5 to 20% commissions, abundant credits, user download bonuses, and other like perks. So here it tells you that over 300,000 people have joined. You can join now here from this link. So if you click on join now, I need to enter my password to sign in here. And once I do, I'll be able to continue with the setup wizard to continue setting up my Temu affiliate profile.